To conquer fear, let's first understand what fear itself is. Fear is a trick of our mind and we can easily overcome it. Our mind needs to be constantly aware of the surroundings that we are in, and if that awareness is interrupted, our mind perceives danger and incites fear. This reflex sequence is our brain's natural defense mechanism, and as a part of this reflex, our mind creates the feeling of fear to force us away from a situation that our mind perceives as harmful. This explains why most of us are afraid of darkness, because our brain is not getting any information from our eyes. That's why even total silence feels creepy, because our ears are not providing any information to our mind. Another reason for our fears is our upbringing, that embeds certain fears in our personality. Having understood fear, now let's conquer fear. Knowledge is the biggest weapon against fear. Fill your mind with as much knowledge about it as possible. This is like checking out a dark room with a flashlight to assure yourself there is nothing hiding there. If you cannot avoid a situation that makes you afraid, try not to think of it till you face it, because anxiety fuels fear. Engage your mind in your favorite activity. Learn to control your mind. Controlling mind is easier than you think. Repeatedly telling yourself not to be afraid of your subject of fear will yield results. Meditation is the most effective tool. Fear feeds on despair and distress. Starve your fear of its diet. Never ever let your mind descend into the dark world of hopelessness. Stay positive, surround yourself with children. Their positivity is infectious. Finally, prepare well, if you must confront your fear. Being well prepared makes you more confident and keeps fear away. Don't you feel more confident when you are walking down a dark trail, with a bright flashlight, a pepper spray and an iron rod? So, go ahead and live a fearless life.